Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to discuss a critical issue that has been making headlines in Iraq's economic landscape: the potential float of the Iraqi dinar against foreign currencies. According to recent reports, some experts are proposing a solution to address the double pricing of the US dollar against the Iraqi dinar and the significant gap between the official and parallel exchange rates. This solution involves allowing the Iraqi dinar to float freely in the market, enabling its price to be determined by the forces of supply and demand. While this proposal aims to resolve the existing currency imbalance, it comes with significant risks and challenges that need to be carefully evaluated. For those unfamiliar with the situation, Iraq's economy has been grappling with a currency crisis caused by the disparity between the official and parallel exchange rates for the US dollar. This disparity has led to market distortions, hindering economic growth and fostering corruption. The Iraqi government has been struggling to maintain the official exchange rate of around 1,470 dinars per US dollar, while the parallel market rate has fluctuated significantly higher, reaching levels around 1,600 dinars per dollar or even higher at times. The proposal to float the Iraqi dinar is seen by some as a potential solution to this currency crisis. By allowing the dinar to float freely in the market, its exchange rate against foreign currencies would be determined by the interplay of supply and demand forces, potentially narrowing the gap between the official and parallel rates. Proponents argue that this move could help restore confidence in the Iraqi economy, attract foreign investment, and reduce market distortions caused by the currency disparity. Risks and challenges. While the idea of floating the dinar may seem appealing on the surface, it comes with significant risks and challenges that must be carefully considered. 1. Economic instability. A sudden and uncontrolled float of the dinar could lead to severe economic instability, as the currency's value may fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. This could have adverse effects on imports, exports, and domestic prices, potentially causing inflation and eroding purchasing power. 2. Loss of monetary control. By floating the dinar, the Central Bank of Iraq would essentially relinquish its control over the currency's value, making it more susceptible to external factors and market speculation. This could undermine the bank's ability to effectively manage monetary policy and maintain economic stability. 3. Structural weaknesses. Iraq's economy is heavily dependent on oil exports, and the country lacks a diversified industrial base. Floating the dinar without addressing these structural weaknesses could expose the economy to greater vulnerabilities and shocks, exacerbating existing challenges. 4. Preparedness and readiness. Implementing a free float regime requires a robust financial system, well-developed capital markets, and a strong regulatory framework. Iraq may not be fully prepared for such a significant shift, and a hasty transition could lead to unintended consequences and market disruptions. While the proposal to float the Iraqi dinar has garnered attention, experts warn that such a move should not be undertaken without achieving an important condition: addressing the underlying structural and economic challenges facing the country. Simply floating the dinar without tackling issues such as corruption, lack of economic diversification, and inefficient public sector operations may only provide temporary relief and fail to address the root causes of the currency crisis. The decision to float the Iraqi dinar is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires careful consideration and a comprehensive approach. While it may offer potential benefits, the risks and challenges associated with such a move should not be underestimated. Ultimately, any currency reform should be part of a broader economic restructuring process that addresses the structural weaknesses and institutional challenges plaguing Iraq's economy. Only by implementing holistic reforms and creating a conducive environment for sustainable growth can Iraq truly overcome its currency crisis and pave the way for long-term economic stability. As always, I encourage you to stay informed, conduct your own research, and form your own opinions on this matter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.